Welcome to Series 2, our SOS playlist. Many years ago, I saw a surveyor's presentation entitled How to Conduct a Survey, subtitled, in other words, How to Use Your Eyes. It was, of course, a bit of tongue-in-cheek, but the principle is solid. Indeed, anyone can use their eyes to survey a building, but specialist knowledge, experience, equipment and instruments will help. However, action that needs to take place in your home to resolve a mold problem would have to start with a survey, and the better they survey, the more likely that it will lead to a discovery of the cause and influence the action you take. Where mold is either present or suspected, we would be looking at structural integrity issues relating to your building, heating and ventilation issues, past and present water damage issues. We would also be looking at the occupant issues, such as the number of occupants, any health concerns of any of those occupants that may be related to or affected by mold, the way the building is used. As part of a survey, it may be advantageous to take microbial samples. Now, sampling for microorganisms is a different proposition to that of a general survey. Microorganisms are invisible to the naked eye. We can't see them, hence microorganisms. Taking dust samples and air samples, processing them, and interpreting the information is specialty work. In our next videos, we will discuss some of the sampling methods used today for the detection and identification of molds. Thank you for watching.